Okay, so in this question 4, we have a data given just like that. In this, we got a data of the age and the productivity score for 18 students, right? So the age ranges from 22 up till 61, and the productivity score is as follows. We have to find out three things. The first is to calculate the basic things like mean, median, standard deviation of age and productivity. Next, we have to draw the box plots for both, right, and compare it. And then we have to plot the scatter plot, QQ plot to study the relationship. So we need to study if the relationship is normal or is there any outlier present inside it, right? So we'll see with box plots also, right? We will analyze how the data is being doing. So to do all these things, I've created a Colab notebook in which we wrote this whole problem and solved this whole problem in Python. So at first we created a data set using NumPy arrays, and we just took all the data set which is given inside the question and just put it inside it, right? After that, we created a very basic function to calculate the mean, median, standard deviation, and we calculate the mean, median, and standard deviation of all the age and productivity. After that, to plot the box plot, basically we need the quantiles, and using the matplotlib we plot a box plot, right? So inside this, we can find out that the box plot is kind of not so symmetric, but it is kind of a matching on the same level. So we can say that the data is kind of aligned, except that we can see that we got some two outliers present inside the dataset, which are at the age of 20-25 ish thing. But after that, the whole the both two data sets is kind of matching, especially in the age between the 50 and 45, or I should say 40, yes, 42 or 50ish, 55ish. The data is kind of going in the right path. So this is all about the box plot. After that, we need to create a scatter plot and QQ plot. So in the scatter plot, we can see that at the initial stage, when the age is 25-30, the dots are kind of going like up and down. So we can say that those are currently the outliers, right? And after those, the points are kind of close to the lines, and the slope is kind of m is greater than 0. So we can say that as the age increases, the productivity will also increase, right? For optional, we created a correlation also and the p-value for normalizing the things. And after that, if we plot the QQ plot for productivity, we can see that the data after a starting interval, it is kind of a normalized data, right? There's nothing unique in it except the starting 2 points. These are all the points which are outliers. So we can see with the QQ plot too, as it's happening. So this was all about the question 4. Thank you.